Welcome to Selfcare As I Am, where we are all about you being the best you. Today, we would like you to join us in a guided meditation to boost and solidify your self-care and well-being. Begin laying down or sitting in a comfortable position. I invite you to close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath. Observe the rise and fall of your stomach and chest. Mindfully deepen your inhales. Hold the air in for a moment before exhaling. Direct your focus to your heart. Visualize a small golden light here. With every breath, this small golden light grows brighter. Slowly it expands through your whole chest, stomach, down your limbs, until your entire body is radiating with a beautiful golden glow. It brings a gentle warmth to your body and seems to relax all your muscles and joints. With every exhale, you melt further and further into this peaceful state. Take a deep breath here and visualize something that you are grateful for. This could be anything. Hold this image in your mind and heart. Feel the emotions that this image brings: joy, love, humor. Feeling relaxed and aligned with gratitude, we will bring our focus back to our bodies. Notice where you contact the ground, your chair, or your bed. Feel how you are supported by the earth. This is true in all things. The universe supports you. Silently, things fall into place for you. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving all your goals and dreams. What would it look like if you achieved everything you had hoped for? Imagine as though this is happening right now. What emotions would you feel? What would you see or hear? Who would be there? You are exactly where you need to be. You are on your path. The sun is shining down on you. The warm, sweet-smelling wind gently guides you forward. As you continue forward, you see a beautiful oasis appear in front of you, filled with all your favorite flowers and trees. You hear the oasis is full of life. There are melodic bird calls. A stream is flowing nearby. You take a seat and observe the beauty around you. You notice that beside you is your favorite drink. You take a sip and feel a sensation of love and peace flow through you. The ground beneath you seems to cradle you as you rest here. As you sit here peacefully, repeat these empowering words. Allow each word to imprint on your mind and heart. I deserve to have my needs met. I listen to my body. I listen to my heart. I am enough. I have always been enough. I will always be enough. I am at peace. I am guided towards my best future. Take some deep breaths here. As you inhale, you feel more energized. Slowly begin to awaken. If you enjoyed this guided meditation, please check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.